Are your ImageLine apps crashing due to the Fruity Dance module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. While preparing the manual steps for Fruity Dance module, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the Fruity Dance module, the core library for the Fruity Dance visual plugin in FL Studio, which displays an animated character, FL Chan, synced to the music's BPM. While largely visual, its absence prevents the project from loading the channel, reporting a "plugin could not be found" error during the DAW scan. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Fruity Dance is commonly required by games and graphics applications. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime restores legacy DirectX runtime files, while updating your GPU drivers resolves OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA dependencies. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Fruity Dance module file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Restarting doesn't always catch everything. If you're still having trouble, let's try this next step together. And if you need to pause the video, I'm not going anywhere. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. A critical reminder: modifying Fruity Dance module DLL manually is dangerous. Without a verified installation source, you risk overriding essential files that your hardware depends on for basic functionality and security. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If library conflicts or resource allocation issues are present, the link below provides general information on managing Fruity Dance module dependencies. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Fruity Dance module error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.